So in this video, we will quickly see how to use the Zotero referencing software. We will begin with importing papers from the website. We will first create a collection naming first work, and in this collection we'll import papers by identifiers. We will import this paper by using this DOI, copying this one and pasting it here by identifier option and enter. This will quickly import this paper. We can do it by another method by using the web connector from our browser. We'll click this one and this will import this paper also into our um, collection as well. If we go back, we'll see that another paper is imported by using the web connector. Now the import of papers is done. We can go to the Word file to insert citations. We can go to the Zotero plugin from document preferences. We can change styles as we prefer. And if we want to get another additional style that we cannot find here, we need to go to the Zotero interface, go to the edit, settings, site, and go to the get additional styles. From here, you will see almost 11,000 citation styles. And if you select one, for example, this one, AAPS open, you click this one and you will see this style in your site manager, style manager, AAPS open. And if we go back to the Word file and Zotero plugin and document preferences, we'll see that citation style as well. For this video, we will use the APS style 7 edition and click OK for saving this citation style. And now we want to cite our papers. Go to the Zotero plugin, add/edit citation, select your papers. I want to insert both of these papers as citation and click these plus signs and then this arrow, and this will insert the citations or references. And now we want to insert the bibliographies. Go to the Zotero again. You will see the add/edit bibliography. Click on it and the bibliographies will be added as well. And finally, when you are submitting your paper, if you want to unlink these references or styles, go to the Zotero and then click on this unlink citations, and this will unlink the citations and bibliographies so that you can submit to your journals. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for another quick video. Thank you.